So one more thing, I have a curiosity on that. Like your English is really great because you're right now in Philippines and your English is really great. What is the secret behind it? How you have learned this language?
It's not about how you speak in English, how you go to school like that. Just learn it. Learn, like that. If you don't know, okay, just what is this? What is this? Like that. I'm like that before. I asked my friend before, oh, what is the meaning of this? Okay, I know. And then I applied it to another friend, and then that's why how I learn English
Hmm.
like that. Nobody's nobody's teach me how I speak English. Like
Okay. You're really cool on. That's why you have decided that you have to learn, and still you were talking as well. Oh, sweetly. Even your English is really good.
thank you.
You know what? One thing
See
that
now,
I'm here for practicing my English because I wanna learn English perfectly. I mean, I wanna get my fluency.
but you're good. Yeah, you're good.
Thank you. I'm trying, like you. Though you are better than me, but I'm trying.
You're good. Promise.
Yeah.
Good. Oh,
So, what should I say? So, what's your hobby?
you happy?
Yeah.
This one. You happy this one? And then always addiction for me. You know what it is?
What?
Alcohol, and then cigarette, and then what's the other one? Yeah, singing. That's it. Oy, katapos ko lang magkape, oy.
Oh my goodness.
Nakadalawa na nga. Yeah.
What kind of hobby you have? That's really interesting, though, because you like
Tawad.
alcohol, you like smoke, and though singing is really quite great because it's on kind of happiness. It's give us happiness.
Mm-mm.
So, like, do you go any concert for perform your singing?
Yeah, I can.
Hmm.
But I'm a little bit. I can, but I'm a little bit shy.
Ah, okay.
Kaya grabe ka sa akin.
So can you sing a song like literal song, your favorite song? It can be great to hear because as you are singer and I wanna hear from your sweet voice a sing. I mean a song. Sorry.
What, what do you want?
Hmm.
English or Tagalog?
Ah, tackle. It's English. English would be better so that I can understand English.